Well, we all know how fast Boise has been growing. So how do public safety departments like police and fire keep up with all that growth? That's a question the Boise City Council asked. And today, the agencies gave a joint presentation outlining their future plans. News Channel 7's Jude Binkley joins us now. Jude, walk us through those plans.
Well, sure, Boise Police and Fire laid out their strategic plans for staffing, facilities, and organizational development over the next several years.
All of the asks or the potential asks that we have of the mayor and council as we move into the future revolve around a couple of themes. One of those is community policing.
Boise Police walked the mayor and council through a 5-year plan to handle growth and new challenges. Police are looking to add 129 officers over the next 5 years. They're also proposing a new organized crime unit which would investigate and combat gang violence, organized crime, retail theft, and human trafficking.
One of the things we are grateful for is in Boise we have always had a tradition of addressing problems when they are small or before they emerge and become greater, and this is one of those areas.
BPD is also looking to expand resources for their behavioral health response teams, which include mental health professionals who respond to calls of people in emotional crisis.
Looking for new and innovative ways to do that with mental health professionals guiding and helping along the way.
To maintain service levels for the community, Boise Fire will be building Station 13 in northwest Boise and rebuilding Station 5 downtown. They'd also like to add 102 firefighters over the next decade.
In some of our more remote locations where we don't have help right around the corner, we look to add 4-person staffing so that those tasks that we need to complete on an emergency scene can be completed by that engine company.
They're also looking at other ways to better utilize resources.
Downtown in our core where the call volume is rising, do we do some 2-person specialized staffing to respond to some of the less critical responses so we keep our engines and our ladder trucks in service for the critical calls?
Chief Weiniger says that across the country, officers have been leaving law enforcement in record numbers because of burnout. So another focus for both departments is employee wellness and resiliency.
We have to do that not just so we have a healthy department, but so that we can take care of the members of our community that rely on us in some of the most trying times of their lives.
Now, a few other plans include SRO support and increasing police traffic unit resources and focusing on internal promotion and minimizing the carbon footprint of Boise Fire's fleet. And now that City Council knows what Boise Police and Fire are planning for, the departments will be looking for community input.
Yeah, a lot of plans there. Thanks, Jude.